Jumpstart a virtual audit and avoid the crunch time.
We offer internal audit for management and external audits for funding. Recent advances in technology have made remote audits more desirable. A remote audit will cover everything that is usually covered on site, but using electronic means, we can remotely obtain audit evidence and evaluate it objectively. Remote audit techniques are like those used in person, but, for example, you can share files via secure portals, Google Drive, Dropbox, etc. Surprisingly, reviewing documents and records virtually can be even more efficient and effective than on-site fieldwork. Documents can be shared and reviewed on the computer and via video conference using Skype, Zoom, etc., which also allows for face-to-face interviews. Conducting a remote audit does not mean that all the work should be performed off-site. Some of the work can still be conducted on-site, or live or surveillance video can help provide the required audit evidence. There are several benefits to a virtual financial audit. Saving time and money with the use of technology. There will be a significant reduction in money and time spent on commuting to the audit location to review documentation or perform an interview. Also, virtual audit is improving the ability to hire and retain staff with more appealing working conditions, resulting in less turnover and less audit time due to a reduced learning curve in repeat audits. A more efficient audit allows for a reduced price when compared to a physical audit. Avoiding traveling to difficult locations. For example, visas sometimes are required if audits are conducted internationally and not necessary if the audit is done virtually. Logistics related to auditing are not needed anymore. With a remote audit, organizations are relieved from logistics related to booking conference rooms and cleaning after the audit team leaves, as well as worrying about audit team accommodation, interruptions to employees' regular workflow, and other related inconveniences experienced during an on-site audit. The audit team will be more efficient. The productivity can be substantially increased in an e-audit in comparison with an on-site audit, needing fewer hours to complete a certain task. In addition, 1. Our audit timeframes can be more flexible and, for example, can avoid the crunch time during tax season for year-end audits. Fieldwork can be performed monthly, quarterly, or annually. It all depends on the preference of the client. 2. Further, we can match any quote with a 10% discount, given cost/benefit consideration. Do you need an audit performed for prospective investors, lenders, or awarded grant funds? If so, what are you waiting for?
Click the link provided to obtain a quote for an audit or all other attestation services.